over just a touch, but what is covered in your credit score? Payment history. Okay, that's 35% of your credit score. So you always want to pay everything on time. If you haven't paid everything on time right now, we're going to get you on that pay on time moving forward. And then there's a certain amount of time that you have to pay on time that will change your credit score or will qualify you for various loan products. So we will definitely look at your payment history because that is, again, the biggest piece of your credit score. Now, credit utilization, I talked about that 30% rule. Well, guess what? It's also 30% of your credit score. It affects your credit score with that 30%. So we want to keep all of your credit cards, okay? Not the car payments, not your installment loans, but credit cards, revolving debt. We want to make sure that you're only using 30%. So if for any reason we were to check your credit report now and you were right there at that 50%, we would sit you down, do the math with you, tell you what you need to do, what you need to pay to get that under that 30%. And then we have to wait just a moment because your credit card is going to report to the credit bureaus. Once they report after you've gotten down under that 30%, then your credit score will change. And sometimes that's drastically. Like I've had clients and home buyers that have been just above for no reason. They just thought we're going to spend $900 out of that $1,000 limit. And they had $5,000 in their bank account. So we paid that down to under 30 because we wanted to keep a little balance. We wanted to show some responsibility, but also some usage. We paid that balance down, waited about 30 days, and then they were under that 30%. They used that 30% rule and their credit score went up tremendously. So much so that now they qualified to get a better interest rate and to get the loan. So you will sit down with Brandon and go over your credit report. So don't worry right now. If this is stressing you out, don't let it stress you out because we will sit down and pull out a calculator, do the math, and give you the information you need to get that credit score up.